Now that we have completed our onboarding process and ResBook is ready to start taking payments from Stripe, let's look at our Stripe dashboard. From the accounting and financial settings, we can click on Your Dashboard and you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. From this dashboard, you'll be able to view your total earnings over time via this handy little graph. We can also view the processing transactions in progress, broken down by pending transactions and transactions that are currently in the process of being paid out. Stripe will make regular payouts automatically, so there is no need for you to do any additional steps here to withdraw funds. Finally, you have a list of all transactions that can be filtered by activity and time. You can further expand this view by clicking on the Transactions tab and viewing a larger list of all transactions. Since Stripe automates all its processes, this dashboard is purely for you to keep track of all your transactions, earnings, and processing payments. There is no need for you to do anything additional within this dashboard.